Hello everyone and welcome to your 6th Photoshop tutorial, the Toolbar Part 1. In this tutorial, we will get to know about the various tools available here in the toolbox, and we will get to know what the functions do they perform. So let's start. The first tool over here is the Move tool. The Move tool can be used to select and move objects around in the area, adjust them and set them in the places that we want them to be. The second tool over here is the elliptical marquee tool. Now this tool is used to make elliptical shaped selections. This software is well known for its quality of selections because this software can help us make very outstanding selections, the most basic of which is the elliptical marquee tool, which helps us make elliptical selections. You can just left click anywhere, hold and drag your mouse to create an ellipse, or you can just left click, drag while holding shift on your keyboard to make perfect circle selections. If you have made any wrong selection, you can deselect all the selections that you have made by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. The next tool over here is the lasso tool. The lasso tool is used to make random hand-picked selections. For example, if I draw any shape over here, and then you can see in exact that shape the selection got made. We can press Ctrl+D again to deselect it. Now the next over here is the quick selection tool. Now this tool we will study about it in detail in the later tutorials. For now, this tool just helps us to make quick selections by selecting the color range of the area we click on. You will get to know more about it in the later tutorials. Let's move on to the next is the crop tool. The crop tool, as you can see by its name, it is used to crop any image any size we want. For example, we want to crop this canvas in this rectangle shape. As you can see, this shape is selected, and as soon as we press enter, the canvas will get cropped. But be sure that this is the selection that you want to make, because once you crop the image, it is very difficult to get it back. So if we press enter, the canvas got cropped in a portrait type selection. To revert it back, you can press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to get it back to the way it was. For example, if you have made more than one crop, if you press Ctrl+Z, it will just take you one step back. So what if you want to go back to the first step on how the canvas was originally? You can press Ctrl+Alt and then press Z as much as you want to get it back to its original size. Thank you for watching. That's it for this tutorial.